can dance. My own son. No problem. Bye bye. Everyone, bye bye. Bye bye. Let me give you. Let's go inside. You don't want to. Chip myself. Chip myself. Kelly! Put it down. What's up? What in the name of God is this? In my house? Does this environment look like a nightclub to you?
Man, Dad, man, I was just, chilling. Just chilling in the privacy of my room, man. That's it.
Oh, Terry, look, I am my party's gubernatorial candidate in the next coming election. That means that this becomes the rallying point of all my political assistants and associates. As I'm talking to you now, the executive committee, the chairman of the campaign organization, they're all down there. And we are holding a meeting in this very serene place. Can you imagine how embarrassed I was when your music came through blaring, disturbing this peace?
Dad, Popsy, Dad, listen, we agreed before you publicly declared your interest in the election that I relocate to Lagos, which I did to avoid situations like this. I did. I obeyed. Yes, I did. Now, if you hadn't insisted that I come back 2 weeks ago, you and I wouldn't be having this argument, man. That's for real.
If you had not raped 2 women in 2 months, you would still be in Lagos and not here like a prodigal son that you are. All over again. Look, don't you have any kind of feelings at all? All the millions that I have spent to keep this woman so they don't pursue the case to court?
Dad, I don't remember asking you to pay to clean up my mess.
If I hadn't, moron, you will be in prison now, burning your ass.
Yeah, and your own political career will be dead, dusted, done with. That's what's up.
Now you listen to me. I will do anything to protect my political interest.
Including getting rid of me if you have any reason to.
I am glad you know. Be careful. Be careful. Son.
Honestly, since I saw that condition attached to the scholarship offer by the Ministry of Education, I have not been myself. It brought back my failure as a man to me in such a way that it left me feeling useless.
Dad, please stop talking like this. You are not useless. You're still my hero.
Me too, Papa. You're my hero. Papa, all families must not be rich. We mustn't blame our poor condition on anybody. Very soon, the light of hope will shine on us. Charles' scholarship is already a sign.
Therefore, Mama, there will not be any scholarship if we fail to raise the counterpart fund fee of $25,000 in the next 3 weeks. Apart from the lands and old house your father inherited from his parents, we don't have any other thing we can call property. Even if we decide to sell everything, we still would not be able to raise that money. That is what is worrying your father and I.
What about your boss? Why don't we approach him for help? Even if it means lending it to us.
Charles, he has been spending so much money in his electioneering campaign. It will be so insensitive of me to go to him with anything that involves further expenses.
Papa, he's from our village. And this scholarship is the first of its kind in the village. Even if he wouldn't give us the money, he can at least help us talk to the town union people to do it.
Charles, your father and I are heavily indebted to the town union.
I know, and that is why I'm suggesting Chief Chima's help here.
Okay, let's go. Stop crying. It is worth giving a try. Kai koi kena me do bro. Ken fichana. Ebeza. Let's try it. Come on. Oh.
Yeah. Charles, you made such excellent result.
Thank you.
Oh, this is record-setting achievement in our community. Oh, I am very proud of you. Oh, yes, well done. Oh, I am proud to be alive to see such brilliance. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm proud of your parents.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, Chief. The money involved is threatening to kill our joy even before it takes root.
What money? Oh, the paltry $25,000.
Chief, I'm just your gardener and my wife, a petty trader. Even if I sell all I have, I don't see myself being able to raise that money.
Are you saying that your son is likely to lose this big opportunity?
Unless we get help from somebody. That's the only option we're faced with now. And we'll be doing that with tears in our eyes.
Please. Thank you for the words. Please, I don't want to lose this.
Oh, please, sit down. Please stop embarrassing me. Sit down. Please sit down. Please, do you know what you are doing? What you are doing? You are begging me to help my own. If I don't, what moral right do I have to say that we are from the same community? Now, how can I ask the people to vote for me as the next governor of this state if I cannot spare $25,000 to help one of my own in this situation? Thank you for bringing it to my notice.
Excuse me, Chief.
Joshua.
Everything is now set for the press conference.
Good. Very good. Look, something has just come up. You will have to go back to them and try and hold them for a few more minutes. Okay?
What manner of news is it, Chief?
It's all right. It's going to help it.
All right.
Just go and hold them for another few more minutes. When you come back, I'll explain.
All right, Chief.
Good. He's my press secretary. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Oh, Charles, congratulations again. Oh. The wonder boy.
Thank you, sir.
Giving affordable and quality education is one of the cardinal points in our manifesto. Now, I am using this family because I want to show the good people of this state how serious I am. I am not doing it because Mr. Elokwe, the father of the proud achiever of this great academic feat, is my kinsman and my gardener. But also because it is my core belief that excellence should not only be encouraged but richly rewarded. If the federal government had not beaten me to it and given scholarship to Charles for his success, I would have done it 1,000,000 times over, because I believe that $25,000 is not enough to give a family where this brilliant young man comes from.
Wow. What a pretty damsel. Ilokwe. Ilokwe. You have such a pretty thing and it was never brought to my notice. Come on, Ilokwe. I thought you were loyal to this family. Okay. Thank you, Dad, for bringing this damsel to my notice with your clownish press conference. You know what, baby? If you miss this apple boy, you miss everything. Very soon, you'll be sweating my technique.
Lokwe, I asked you to come because something happened. It is becoming clearer that I am the leading candidate in the coming election, which means that I am most likely to be the next governor of this state. Realizing that, the present governor has invited me on a tour of American, European, and Asian countries in order to woo investors to the state. I think he's trying to play my global experience in commerce and industry. To the people by this trip. We leave tomorrow.
So soon?
Oh, yes. That's why I asked you to come and see me. As I promised during the press conference, that I will elevate you to senior staff. Your replacement gardener has already been employed.
Chief, I thought you said the move will take place as soon as a space is created for me in your company.
Yeah. I have created space for you in the company as personal assistant to the managing director.
You?
Yes. I am going to transfer all the day-to-day activities of all my businesses to my son. Yes. And he is the one that you are going to assist. Now your salary.
Yes, Chief.
It is presently at 40,000 naira a month.
Yes, Chief.
Henceforth, with immediate effect, is 150,000 naira.
Chief! 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 Oh, yeah! Okay, Chief.
It's okay. Yeah, Mr. Real quick, see me tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. at the office, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that I have.
Thank you. Okay. 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 Immediately after the elections, we shall go back to the United States. I think you will return to the drug rehabilitation center for more treatment. Okay.
Well, till then, Dad. Till then. But for now, I need my privacy to do my thing.
Thank you.
Come on, Dad. This is supposed to be my private room, right? Oh, you need a fix? Alright. Alright, buddy. Come on. Join me. Come on, let's do this. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This one you're smiling from ear to ear. Did you win any money?
Where are the boys? Where are the kids?
We are in the room.
Hey, Charles and Evan, come and join us. Yes, go and get 4 cups and join us immediately.
What is going on?
Yeah, what you could do.
Suya, in this house, what are we celebrating? Okay. Oh. Suya.
Champagne. In our house. Hi! All my life, I have craved for the opportunity to get the drink in my hand. But to no avail. Today, against all odds, I got it! Here in my hand is a drink ready for us to savour and celebrate with.
Papa, what is going on?
Stop, man. Let me finish. Let me finish. True to Chief's words, after paying me my last month's salary, he promoted me to the post of personal assistant to the MD of his business empire. Are you serious? Wait! Let me tell you that. You are jumping. Why are you jumping? I have not finished. With a new salary of 150,000 naira. All for you, my son. All because of you, my son, Charles.
I'm happy.
Let us celebrate our exit from extreme poverty and entry into a new life of hope. All the woman.
Come.
James.
Just take your
father first. Give me.
Come on. Well, bring it out.
Oh, Mom, thank you. Hey!
Oh!
Yeah, I hope I will not get drunk.
This one, Bye-bye to poverty. Welcome to home.
Bye-bye to poverty.
Welcome to home.
No.
Get your ass. Aha. Yes. I'm a
Are you sure I will not get drunk?
If you get drunk,
Yeah. Real quick. Good man. Sit down.
Yeah. Okay. You see, the staff at the house, they all pissed me off, so I sent them on temporary leave until my father returns.
All of them?
All of them. Yeah.
How have you been coping with running the house all alone?
Very badly. Very, very badly. In fact, as we speak right now, the house is hygienically unclean. So I was wondering if you could send down your children to help me, clean up a bit.
Why wouldn't it be possible? You see, to those children, your house is just the same as ours.
Yes.
And both of them are not doing anything at the moment.
Okay.
So when do you want them to come?
Today, yes. As a matter of fact, I'll be going home in a bit. So if in 30 minutes they meet me up, that'll be great. That'll be fantastic.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me tell their mom to inform them immediately to proceed to your house.
Good.
Is that all, sir?
That'll be all good, man. That'll be all.
Okay, take care.
All right.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Okay. While your brother is busy downstairs, you can start from here. Okay, so take your time. Yeah, take your time.
Thank you for that, sir.
What's wrong with you? Come on. Look, I like you. Cool. Understand? You're just my type, okay?
So I think I should go,
Hey,
sir.
come back here. Slow down. Slow down. Come here. Slow down, baby. Slow down. I know what you want, okay? Here's 100 grand. Alright? Me and you. Come on, baby. Let's do this.
God forbid.
Hey, come on. What's your problem? Listen here. A woman refuses me, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's either you take it easy or you take it by force.
Let's not force it, sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
I said, get down! I'll break your head, Materi.
Jesus!
The gate is locked. Ass wipes. Where do you think you're going? Tell
To
me.
report you to the police and to report you to our parents.
Give us the key.
Okay. Now, have you just stopped for a minute to ask yourself or ask your miserable, wretched father? How come he hasn't received the $25,000 my father promised him for your useless, miserable scholarship? How come? That is because my father handed everything over to me before he traveled. Okay, which means that your useless, miserable fate is in my hands, so to speak. Okay, now here's the catch. Okay, now listen, I'm ready to be arrested, alright, for what happened. But if you let anybody know, you'll kiss your American dream goodbye. Yes.
How dare you threaten us after everything you just did to me? What sort of a human being are you?
Charles, see, the choice is yours to make. Try as much as let anybody, anybody, apart from 3 of us, hear of this. And you kiss your American dream goodbye by waiting for my father to give you the money himself. And you know for sure that the time to pay the Ministry of Education the money for your stupid, useless scholarship will be over by then. How about that? Let yourselves out. Okay? Now, do your bidding. Try and let anybody know the choice is yours.
I hate you. I hate you.
The feeling is mutual, because I hate myself too. Tell everybody. And
Are you sure you can endure this?
Charles, poverty hasn't given me an option. I have to endure this.
Then let's tell Mom and Dad. Let's tell them what happened, so that they will get Terry arrested. Now that the bruises are still fresh. Yvonne, he would have raped or even killed you. And there is no guarantee that he won't try it again.
No. I'm enduring this for you. For our family. For your scholarship. Charles, your scholarship is the only way out of poverty for this family. Look at the job you just gave Papa. See the doors it might open for us. The devil is not happy about this. And is trying to use Terry to spoil it. I will endure this. As long as to take this family out of poverty, I will endure this. I have to.
But Yvonne, you're saying no with tears in your eyes. It's not fair.
Life is not fair to the poor and wretched, Charles. Life is not fair to the poor and wretched. crying?
Fine. How can I attain my success at the expense of your dignity as a woman? This one is not fair.
Please, sir, don't do this, please, sir.
Get down. Get that duvet off, man.
Oh, sir.
I say lie down.
Sir.
I say lie down, what's your problem?
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
I say, get up, oh, please!
What is it? Are you okay?
Yes. Yes.
What is going on?
Okay.
What is going on?
Okay. Eh? Nothing. It was a nightmare.
Nightmare? About what?
She's asking you.
Papa, Mama, she will be fine. She's still in shock. Why don't we give her some time to come back to her herself?
I'm sorry, Papa. Sorry, Mama.
Let's get back to sleep.
Mama, wait.
What is it?
Let me sleep with both of you.
You want to sleep with us?
I'm scared.
All right. Let's go. Give me your hand. Okay, let's go now.
I need you guys out of here, man. Bounce.
Yes, boss.
Yeah.
Alright, boss. Deal, boss. Deal.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah. Hey! It's okay, it's okay. So, what brings you here, huh? How was your night?
Sleepless, sir.
Sleepless?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what's been making your night sleepless?
Sir, it's my sister. She has been having terrible nightmares since over what you did to her last week. So last night one was more terrible. She had it 3 times, and each of them she told me how you stabbed her on the belly and after repeatedly raping her.
Oh, is that why you came here? Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Sir, I need you to help me talk to her. I just need to help me assure her that what happened last time was a mistake and that you will not make any attempt to rape her again. You know, such assurance will go a long way in helping her fight this nightmare. Honestly, sir, if this continues, I don't know how long we can hold off telling our parents what you did to her.
Okay, look, your father told me that 1 p.m. today is the deadline for the payment of your counterpart's fund fee for your American scholarship. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And failure to do so, you will lose the opportunity. Am I right again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, which do you prefer? Your fund fee, which embodies your future, or I go searching for your sister and talk to her as you're demanding? What do you prefer? Talk. Come on, talk. Now listen, mister, listen here. In 30 minutes, I am to meet with your father in my office where I am to release $25,000 my father promised you to him. Now tell me, which do you prefer, because I don't have too much time to waste?
The money.
Come on, talk.
The money.
You say? You say?
The money.
You say?
The money.
The money. Now, you go tell your sister that you made the choice yourself. Okay? Now, this is what I want you to do. The last thing I want you to do right now is B-O-U-N-C-E, bounce. Like, get out. Get out, get out, go, 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 get out, go, go, go. Idiots. Look, well, I want you to look at those list of property over there and tell me if any one of them doesn't belong to you anymore.
Answer. The list contains all my property, including the house I inherited from my late parents in the village. Who compiled the list?
I did.
You did?
I did. Yes.
Why, sir?
Is any of them there wrongly listed, Ilokwe?
No, sir. No, sir. But why is the list of my property important here?
Ilokwe, you're here to collect $25,000, which is meant for your son's American scholarship, am I right?
I am, sir. But...
Ilokwe. $25,000 is too much money to be released to anybody for whatsoever reason. So I decided to make it a loan. Now, you see the list over there of property? Those are the collateral for the loan.
Sir, but your father promised...
Look, I am the man mandated to release that sum to you, and I've decided on how to do it. Or would you rather wait for my father, who will be back next week, to release it to you himself?
Sir, the deadline for paying the money is today.
Okay. Now, there. Those are the loan agreement papers. Sign them and you get the money. Look. Sign those papers and collect $25,000 cash. Listen to me, okay? I'm a very busy man, all right? Now, do you want to sign the loan agreement papers, get $25,000 cash, or get out of my office?
Sign this? How could you now?
Son, your scholarship is this family's only hope out of extreme poverty and shame. So, I cannot let it slip out of our hands for whatever reason.
No. Okay, but I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I mean, look at this clause. That he reserves the right to determine when the loan's life expires. That means this man could wake up one morning and take everything we have and we cannot stop him. Hey!
No, Dad, why in the name of common sense would he add such a clause to the agreement?
I don't know. And I didn't have the luxury of time to wait to know before signing and collecting the money. Okay. Everybody, calm down. Calm down. God is with us.
Papa, don't bring God into this. Don't bring God into this. Terry is the only...
Enough! Stop. The money is here, Charles. Proceed to the bank and secure the scholarship before it is too late. At least, the dire nature of our condition is well known to you. And I guess I need not tell you of the need to work hard when you get to America.
God forbid. God forbid. See, Daddy, I don't want to have anything to do with this money. Take this money back to him and let this scholarship go, for God's sake.
Just look at me. Look at me very well, Charles, from head to toe. Look at me. Now, if you stay and delay here, and this scholarship opportunity elapses, I will commit suicide for you in this house.
Papa.
You all heard me well.
Okay. Yeah. What can I do for you, boy?
So you forced our father to sign this wicked agreement with you.
What is so wicked about a loan agreement which made $25,000 available for your future? What?
But sir, after you attempted to rape me, you said if we had told our parents or the police about it, you would not release the money. And then we agreed to keep it to ourselves. I kept it to myself, as painful as it was. Only for you to go and force our father to sign this document when you knew that it was not the
Hey, listen here, lady. Slow down. First and foremost, I never made it violent. From the beginning, no. It was when you refused and tried to walk out on me, I now started to force you. Now, no woman refuses me sex. It's either you take it peacefully or you take it by force. Yes. Now, you're very lucky your kangaroo-looking brother walked in on time to save you. Next time, you won't be that lucky, trust me.
You're threatening to rape me again?
Now, listen here. If I get you one-on-one in my room, and you try to refuse, I'll rape you over and over again. That's what's up.
I'd rather die than spare you if that happens.
Hey, what you done, boy? What you done? This is my father's warehouse, alright? So, what you done? Watch it. Yeah, and by the way, I believe you have less than 2 hours to the expiration of the deadline of your paying your stupid American scholarship thing. Don't you think you're wasting time that you don't have?
I came to make a demand of you.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead if you think you still have time.
Tear up this loan agreement, or we'll be forced to go to the police to report you for attempting to rape my sister in your house last week.
Yes.
It's not fun. Yeah, damn serious.
Yeah, look, boy. Look, I'm not laughing because of how funny the situation is. No. I'm laughing at the stupidity of both of you. Yeah. You report me to the police. With what evidence?
With or without evidence. The scandal that will follow will destroy your father's political career. And that is something I know he will never let happen. Before we go to the police, we will call his chief press secretary, Mr. Joshua, and report everything to him. We have his number, we'll call him.
Okay. Your father, and I agreed via an agreement to secure a loan of $25,000 for your stupid American dream. Then, hours later, the children now come and accuse me of rape. Now, what do you think? The public, the police, and the press will make out of it what? Look, I can imagine the headline. Ungrateful family tries to defraud foremost politician and his son, yeah, me, yours faithfully, my very self, of $25,000 by accusing his son of rape. Listen here, boy. I will win that case even before it starts. You feel me? Because it's my word against yours. And by the way, whatever evidence that was there on that day of the attempted, rape, it would have been gone by now. In fact, I know it's gone, okay? So you see, it's my word against yours. So boy, tell me, are you going to the bank right now to secure your stupid American Dream Scholarship? Or are you going to call Mr. Joshua?
You will regret this. You will certainly regret this. You will see.
Get out of my office! Get out! Get out of here. Go! Get out. Yeah. I'm always on top of my game, man. I stay on top of my game.
Enter the car. I say enter the car. Enter the car, we'll shoot you now.
Please, sir. Hey.
Gone blazing. Hey, shut the fuck up.
You?
Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, nice. Yeah, my very self. One and only nice meeting you again. This way.
No, please, I'm begging you, please, no.
Listen. I can see my boys did a good job, I like the apparatus. Good value for my money, well paid, yeah. See, makes it all easy when I pull this. I pull that string. When I pull this one, your legs open up. And I put my positive energy in your honey pots. So nice. Now, hold on, you see, there'll be no Charles to save you. Yes, Charles can't come here no matter how much you shout. He can't come. Yeah. And I hope your father taught you this. AIDS is real. I came prepared.
No, please, no. No, please. Please, sir. Please. Please, sir, no. Please, I'm begging you. Please, sir. No. Please.
Yeah. go take a bath, and I'll come back for round 2. But here's what. I like it with the legs around me, okay? So when I get back to you, I need your legs around me so you can feel me. You understand me, baby? So, I'm just gonna take this off. Yeah. And since the damage has been done anyways, I'll take this off too. No, one leg is okay, so you don't think anything funny. Alright? So, I'm gonna take a bath, and I'll be back to you, baby. You a sugar, you a sugar. Mwah.
Tell me he's dead. He's downstairs, boss. On guard.
On guard, that's good. Alright, okay, good. So, how did the operation go?
Exactly as planned, boss.
Very nice.
Idiot gave up without a fight.
Well, as boss. All of it.
In here. Good. Now, listen up. The sister escaped, like I told you on the phone. The sister escaped.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, I don't have the luxury of the time to explain to you guys what's happened. Okay? Now, you see these dollars?
Yeah.
Keep it. Keep a low profile. Again, keep a low profile.
I feel you, boss.
Alright? Good. Now, I have to get back to the office. It's very important that 2 or 3 people at least see me. Okay? Good.
Boss. Are you planning to deny the responsibility when it goes public?
I plan for every possibility. Now listen here. I am not going down. Okay, boss. You understand me? Yes. I'm going down. Yes, boss. Keep a low profile. All of you.
I feel you, boss.
You feel me? Yes, boss. Get out of here. Yes.
Please. Get up. Eva. Diniano. Help! Eva. No. Just. What is it, Just?
Terry.
Terry.
truth. Terry, the devil raped my daughter. Yvonne! Yvonne! Oh, get up, please. Yes. Please. Oh, please. Yes. Get up.
Charles! Terry must pay for this. Terry must pay for this!
Charles!
Charles!
Charles,
you come back here!
Go and help me! Go and help me! Before my enemies will laugh at me, God! Hey! If Biko, no. Biko, no. Biko, no.
He's my only son. He must not die. Okay. Hold on. Let me get closer. Come back here! I said come back here!
As things are at the moment, that's what makes them dangerous.
A dangerous man is somebody who has something to fight back with. The Iloquois have nothing. They don't even have somebody to fight back for them.
Oh, Terry, you are making a terrible mistake. A soldier of conscience is more powerful than a soldier who is armed with the best man-made weapons. Nigeria is practicing democracy now, freedom of speech. Various organizations are coming in, human rights and all. Let them go to one of those organizations, the Iloquois. Let them go to one of them In no time at all, everything will turn around. If they do, son, we're doomed.
Then we must stop them.
With what?
The hotel room where Devon. It was paid for by someone else. That person Ray Devon, not me. That is the story now. Do everything within your power to make sure the police and the public believe that. In this case, it's over.
But how in the name of God am I going to do that? Without finding a man who is going to admit to the crime.
You're a politician, aren't you? Now is the time for you to show me you're a true politician and save our asses. My governor.
I am not acting the movie here, Patrick. Am I?
This is why you're frowning your face. Have you eaten today?
There is nothing in the house.
You mean you have used the money I dropped for you to buy alcohol again today?
I want to go back to Congo, Patrick. Give me money to return to Congo and not money to eat and waste here in Nigeria.
There's a big restaurant at the end of the street. So go there and get yourself a good meal to eat. Okay?
Ruth, you can't imagine what we've been through these last 2 days. Please, please, I'm a woman like you. Help us, please.
Yvonne, I don't have to imagine it. It's okay. I once suffered the same fate. I was orphaned at 9, raped at 17 by a rich man, and forced not to seek justice by him and his family. I've not stopped loathing myself for what I consider my cowardice then. Thank you for providing me with an opportunity to redeem my conscience with your own case.
Thank you.
Come on, get into the car. Let's go.
Where to?
You need a roof over your heads first. You're going to my house.
Hey, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
Let's go.
Alonso Becono, born 3rd July 1984, lost his parents in an uprising that toppled Mobutu Sese Seko. Brought to Nigeria by a fleeing Nigerian businessman when Goma was overrun by rebels. He raped the teenage sister of his benefactor. He was sentenced to 18 years imprisonment in the year 2000. 22 days ago, he was released on humanitarian grounds. Last week, he struck again. He raped Yvonne Ilokwe.
I swear with my life I did not rape anybody again. It must be a mix-up somewhere.
Quiet, come on. Come on, keep quiet. Remove his blind.
Where am I? Who are you guys?
I am not a police officer. You said you did not rape Yvonne Ilokwe. Yet the receipt for the payment of the room where she was raped was written in your name. How come?
It's a lie. It's a lie. I've never been to a hotel since I left the prison. I swear it's a lie.
The police will not believe you if they see the receipt booklet with which you paid on that day. They will take you to court, and with your record, you will easily, very, very easily be thrown back into jail.
I did not rape anybody.
Hi. Look, I told you, I am your friend. But the evidence is here. Take a look.
I did not rape anybody.
Now tell me, why are you insisting on this ridiculous story, trying to defend the indefensible?
I did not rape anybody.
Why?
Believe me, I did not rape anybody.
All right. Well, now tell me, are you or are you not desperate for money to go back to Congo? Now, have you not been dreaming of joining the illicit miners in East Congo? Answer me! I have news for you. I am a principal sponsor of the rebels in East Congo. And for that, I'm allowed to operate 3 diamond mines. I will give you 1 million naira, organize travel documents, and provide you transport from here to Kinshasa. And when you get there, give you an appointment in one of my mines. But for that, you must do something for me.
Sir, I will do anything for you. In fact, I will murder an entire generation if that is what you want me to do for you.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. Sit down. I said sit down! Sit down. Get in some drink. We have a lot to talk about. Yeah. But you will handle it. You will handle it.
Which way?
Hey! All this for me. Hey!
God bless you.
Mama! Thank you.
Let me bring you up to date in my efforts so far to get you justice. I've been able to arrange a press conference that will have all the major media houses in attendance. And it will hold tomorrow by noon, right in front of the house Chief Chima evicted you from. There you'll have the opportunity to tell the whole world your story.
I'm sorry, but how will that bring me justice?
That is just the beginning. You see, after the press conference, I'll help you reach out to some human rights organizations to take up your case. By the time the press and rights activists will be through with them, Chief Chima's political career will be over. Terry will be in prison, and you have everything they dubiously took away from you.
Hey, thank you.
Trust me, everything will be okay.
Amen. Hey!
Thank you.
What are you doing, Olen?
Preparing to move.
Move. Where are you moving to?
Democratic Republic of Congo.
With which money? Are you planning to walk all the way back home? What in the name of God are you up to again?
I am going back to Congo. And if you must know, I have $1 million naira to do that.
What? 1 million naira? Where and how did you get that huge amount of money?
Goodbye, baby brother.
Come. Put your back down and sit down. This hotel is mine. This room will be yours until our deal is finished. Just do everything the way we have discussed, and when you come out, I shall give you 1 million naira travel documents and air ticket to Kinshasa. When you get to Kinshasa, my boys will arrange transport for you to Goma. And from Goma, you go to the diamond mine of your choice. Is there anything that you do not understand?
Nothing, Chief, nothing. I am good to go. Just give me the green light.
Good. Excellent. Excellent. Enjoy yourself until tomorrow.
Thank you, Chief. Alonso Bekono. I've made it.
Joshua, now tell me, what is this thing that is so urgent that you have to come this time of the night? It's after midnight.
Chief, there is trouble. Real trouble. Ilokwe and his family have been given accommodation by Miss Ruth, the senior political reporter with the Niger Tide newspaper.
It's not possible. Ruth is one reporter that I have absolute confidence in. She's the only one I can call a friend.
Chief, I have it on good authority that she is planning to hold a press conference which will have in attendance major media organizations where Yvonne and her family will tell the whole world what's been happening between you and them. And guess what? The venue of the press conference is right in front of the house where you evicted them from.
It will fail. Joshua, I tell you, it will fail.
Chief, it will not work.
Oh yes.
In case you don't know, Chief, the scandal will be blown out of proportion by the press because you're a leading candidate in a major election that is just a few weeks away.
Now let me tell you, no media house will touch anything from that conference. No media house. Not even the one Ruth works for.
Chief, any reputable media organization will give anything to publish such an explosive story. Check it out. Your son brutally raped their daughter after you lent money to the family to secure their son's scholarship. Money you lent with an inhuman condition. Money just a few weeks ago you announced to the world you were giving them free. Chief, then after the rape you went publicly and deceived them that you were going to help them secure justice. Then you turn around, seize their properties and render them homeless. All these things you did, knowing fully well that the money you lent to them was stolen by robbers. And their only son, for whom the money was borrowed, was killed by a car on his way to confront your son for raping his sister. Chief, if this story goes public, not even the best spin doctor can turn your political fortunes around ever again. My advice, Chief, is stop them now or forget politics.
The kitchen is there. Fix yourself and get whatever you want to eat. Okay? Just feel at home. Papa! What are you doing in my house? Who showed you my house, Chief Chima?
So it is true that these people are here. So it is true that you are all conspiring to destroy my political career and my son's good image.
Your son doesn't have a good image. He's a beast.
Shut up. Ruth, I have not come here to ask you what it is they told you that made you decide to choose to fight a man like me. I have not come here to ask you to cancel the press conference that you are organizing for them. But I have come to advise you for your own good. You see these people in your house, they are not who they seem. They're not. Whatever they have told you, at best, Sabah is half. If there's anything in it at all. For your career's sake. For your career's sake, avoid them. They almost used me against my son. Don't let them use you. Don't.
Please, don't listen to him. He's here to play a mind game with you. That's what he's trying to do. He came here to intimidate you so that you can abandon us. Please. Don't let him succeed, please.
It's okay. Please, get up.
Please.
I'm with you. I'm still with you. Please stand up.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Young man, you said you want to see me urgently in my office. How may I be of help to you?
My name is Alonso Bekono. I want to make a confession, and I want to make it only before you.
All right, we're listening. Inspector? We are listening.
I was the person who had sex with Yvonne Eloque. And she was the person who asked me to do it to her. Like it would appear she was raped.
Are you joking? Do you realize the weight of what you are saying?
I'm very serious, DPO. I want to make the rest of the confession in writing from this point.
Inspector.
Sir.
Get him some writing materials. Get me the audio tapes too. Quick.
I'm going to arrange a press conference for which all of you will air your problems. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Hello. You're on to Miss Ruth of Niger Tides newspaper. Who are you, please? Oh, DPO. Good day, sir. How can I be of help? What? This is a joke, isn't it? Okay, I'll be there with her right away. All right, thank you.
What did the DPO tell you?
A man came to his office claiming to be the one who had sex with Yvonne, and that it was Yvonne who asked him to do it in a way it would look like she was raped.
That's a lie. If you are bringing up more wicked allegations, that is a lie.
Are they?
Yes, that's not true.
Well, the police wants me to bring you to the station to identify the guy.
You don't believe me? You really don't believe me?
Please just go dress up properly. Let's go.
Papa.
Calm down.
That's a lie.
Calm down. We are with you no matter what. Just go dress up. This is the receipt he presented to us that says that on that day you claim to have been raped. He was the one who paid and made use of that room. And this is a confession he voluntarily made and signed before me. Read and see if there is any truth in it.
Officer, everything here are lies. They are all lies. I don't know anybody by the name Alonso Bekono. It's a setup. Everything you see here is a lie. Honestly, it's a lie.
Who is setting you up? Who? As we speak, Chief Chima and Terry are still in the dark about this new development.
And you believe they are for real?
I don't know what to believe again, Miss Ruth. I don't know. But this evidence is so compelling for me to act on. And like I told you on the phone, I want Yvonne to come here and identify or deny the young man face to face. And from there we can move on. Inspector.
Sir.
Bring him in.
Yes, sir.
Everything is not true.
What's going on?
Yeah. You know what? It's a clothing rope made of the same texture and color as the boxers you're wearing. And you know what? You know what I want you to do right now? Oh my God, as soon as you get out of this place, dispose it where you'll never find it again. Did you get that? Yes. I do that immediately right now. Do it right now. Quickly.
That suspect back in this police station. Go! Go, all of you!
Yeah.
What is it?
Officer. He's dead!
Who is?
Police. From a distance, I saw a car hit him and then sped away. Before I could get to him, he was already dead.
Inspector, could it be Alonso? God forbid, it can't be him. Hey, Inspector, I want you to go to the scene of that accident immediately and identify the officer.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Detain him.
Okay, sir.
Chief, what are we going to do next? I guess we'll have to arrest the parents as well.
No, I'll do no such thing, DPO. I want the case closed and forgotten. I just want my son home.
Oh, Chief, crimes were committed and lives have been lost.
I know. It's very sad, isn't it? But please, do as I have said. And I promise you that after the election, I will lead you by the hand and hand you over to your superior officers as the officer in whom we are most pleased.
Chief. Chief, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chief, in that case, consider your son released.
Good.
And consider the case closed.
Good.
Anything for you, Chief.
Good.
Anything.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Dixon, meet me at the usual place for your balance immediately. Alonso, this is not how we planned it. I'm sorry, really, really sorry. If the circumstances had been different, I would have followed whoever killed you to the end of the earth. Chase him there. But as it is, I'm sorry. Thank you, God. Thank you. It is over. You see these people in your house, they are not who they seem. They're not. Whatever they have told you, at best, Sabah, is half. If there's anything in it at all. For your career's sake, avoid them. They almost used me against my son. Don't let them use you.
We've come to the end of the road here.
How do you mean?
Mr. Ilokwe, the implication of Alonso's confession is that you people conspired with Yvonne to set Terry up and force his politically vulnerable father to renegotiate a loan deal with you. Or leave the money outright. Or even dupe him of more money.
This is not true. Miss Ruth, we never even thought of anything like that.
Nobody will believe you again. All your sympathy in the case has been blown away by Alonso's confession and subsequent death.
Miss Ruth, what if the man was hired to say those things he said? And his escape from prison was arranged and was killed thereafter?
Well, look for a detective to investigate and prove it. Until then, for someone like me to be seen closely associated with you people is to commit a career suicide. I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Miss Ruth, please.
Are you saying that the press conference is...
The press conference has been cancelled. And both of you are leaving my house this moment.
Miss Ruth.
Please, go to the station, find your daughter and sort things out.
Hey, Miss Ruth, please. We don't have anywhere to go from here, please.
Where do we go to?
Please, by the time I come back, I don't want to see you here.
Please, my daughter. Please.
Ruth, to Obi.
Please.
Ruth.
Please, Ruth.
To go and Obi, become one.
You have a visitor.
I thought I was being released.
Release? Meanwhile, you'll have just 10 minutes.
What in the name of common sense are you doing here?
From the first day you attempted raping before, some days After you finally raped her, you contacted me to constantly watch over her and her brother. Just for 250,000 naira.
Well, I haven't forgotten that fact, and that's the proper reason you shouldn't be sitting here with me in the first place.
I could not wait any longer to submit my findings, sir.
Well, your findings I'll pay for as soon as I get out of here, which is in a few minutes.
I know. That is why I rushed down here to meet with you immediately. I want the police to see me that I met you.
What are you talking about?
I saw you boys, Dollar and Purple, steal the $25,000 you lent the Ilikoas from Charles at gunpoint, claiming to be armed robbers. Their careless talking colleagues, Sola and Lola, also told me that they were the one who kidnapped Yvonne on her way back home that day and took her to the hotel where you raped her. You also told them, you instructed them that they should pay the hotel room in Alenzon's name.
Is that why you're here? To extort more money from me because you know what happened?
No, I am here to tell you that you and your father shot yourself in the foot by using Alenzo to secure your freedom and killing him after that instead of paying as agreed.
Name your price. I'll pay you to shut up and disappear.
How dare you look at me in the face and tell me to name my price after killing my elder brother today?
Your elder brother? Alonso Dembele was from DR Congo and you from Jos, Nigeria, so what are you talking about?
I lied to you. I lied to you about my true identity. Alonso is my elder brother. Same parents. Terry, you have started an ugly war between your family and me.
Now listen here. You can't fight us. You know why? Nobody will believe a common criminal like you.
But people will believe this. Listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this. That is just a Iloquo's phone. I stole this phone from his pocket. He recorded all this in your office that day. His reasons, I don't know. Pretending to be a helper when he was hit by a car. I stole this phone from his pocket to sell for a loose change. But after listening to all he recorded in the phone, I changed my mind. Terry, not just this. Since I walk in here today, all we have been discussing is being recorded by me with my cell phone. Did you see that? I hope now I can fight you and your father, Terry.
What do you want?
What do I want? You and your father's destruction. I will avenge my brother's death at all cost. Trust me. Trust me, Terry.
Thank you for believing me. Thank you.
It's okay. Wishing not to pursue the case any further by pressing charges against you, Chief Chima has ordered us to release you.
Hey, he has.
Yes, you're free to go.
Oh, thank you, officer, but I didn't do it.
Quiet. Give me your hand.
That's where I disagree with you, Dad. That's where I disagree. Look, I am not dropping the charges against Yvonne and her family. That's a cowardly thing to do, and I'm no coward.
You are a coward, Terry. Raping a woman is the most cowardly thing any man can do.
Well, Mr. Honor and Bravery, I am not dropping those charges. And I don't care what anybody thinks about it, even you.
You have obviously decided to destroy everything I stand for politically, haven't you?
Dad, this is not all about politics, no. It's about my public image and that of this family.
How? By committing more crimes against an already traumatized family? Oh, man. Haven't they suffered enough because of you?
Kind of dented it with what I did to the Iloquois, but you have to allow me clean it up this one time. Yes.
For conscience sake. Let them go.
Please, I didn't order my boys to kill Alonso Becano so I can close this case for conscience sake. No, I didn't do that. I didn't just do that. No, not at all.
You did what?
I have something important to attend to.
Oh, God.
First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for a plot well developed and executed. Nice one. You all will be paid and rewarded handsomely. But not until we have taken care of the ugly twist that just presented itself.
Twist? What twist, boss?
Patrick. Yes. The same Patrick you and I know. Patrick happens to be Alonso Becano's younger brother. Same father, same mother. And we all know he knows everything. Worst is, he has recorded evidence linking my father and all of us here present to all the crimes.
You're pulling our legs, boss.
I am dead serious, asswipe. The devil has come to party with us. Spoil our show. How do we deal with him?
How, boss? How?
So what is it this time?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Boss, my brother is dead. There's nothing I'll do. I'll bring him back. Besides, I owe whatever I am today to you. So I have thought deeply and decided to give my loyalty to the living, not the dead.
But, Alonso Becano was your brother.
I chose who my brother is. Long before now, I chose you. Come to think of it, you killed him, being ignorant that he's my brother. For being true and helpful to me all these years, I brought these funds, my own and Charles' own, for you to destroy yourself.
Am I forgiven, boss?
Yeah. You see, my father is organizing, you know, a big party, you know, to celebrate my release from that stupid cell. So, you are invited. It's okay, it's all right. Come on, let's go. Good.
Hi, brave man.
What?
Shh. Selassie. See, don't worry about the gentleman driving. He's working for the boss too. You see, that trip to the police station was a silly mistake. Yes. So, you know how it works.
But I have returned the recording to the boss.
See, boss told me you are aware of all the rules. So I want you to tell me the number one. State it now.
Do not trust anybody.
You know blood is thicker than water.
Begging who?
Eh? Now sit.
Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, please don't kill me, please.
Calm down, Patrick. Just calm down, okay? We don't kill a colleague.
You mean you want to spare me?
What do you mean by that, Dollar?
Selassie, let him just live for good, okay? You know we are men of honor.
Yeah, Patrick, you heard him. That's okay.
Please.
Selassie.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too. Go on blazing.
Blaze eye.
No backup. Guy.
Go ahead. Come on the cat.
Everything. Are you done?
Go, bro.
That's mine.
Who are you to ask me such a question? Here in my house, in this village, who are you?
Maybe your memory has faded because of poverty, that you need me to remind you that this house is one of property you lost to Mr. Chima recently.
He returned everything to me a few hours ago.
And he has changed his mind again.
It's a lie. He cannot.
We are here on terrorist orders to make sure that you people don't come anywhere near this house or any of your lands in this village. The Igwe and the police are aware of our presence.
Let's go in.
If you think we are lying, you can call Chief Chima to confirm.
Bogodia. Oh, Chief. Bring that thing down. Hey.
Helen? What? Let me call you back. I'll call you back. Please. Terry? Terry? Terry! What is going on?
How do you mean that?
Iloquays came here. They came to plead with me, to take pity on them. And I did. Give them back everything that we took from them. I even waived the $25,000. Now, they are on the phone now telling me that your men are refusing them entry into the village house. What is going on? Is that for real?
No, it's for real, Dad. It's for real. I mean, we made a decision to let them off the hook alone, so I reversed it.
But look here. This nonsense must stop. Now tell your men to allow them in and leave them alone.
Okay. Here's what. If you threaten me again, or try to do anything about this case without consulting me first, I will go to the press and the police and tell them every single thing I know about the 13th day of April 1998. How about that?
What do you want from this case?
Okay, here's what. Total redemption of my image that was dented by Yvonne and her family for accusing me of rape.
Oh.
Yes, for accusing Terry, son of the next governor, to get into a police cell. They must shed tears of blood. That's what's up.
Terry. God is watching you.
And you too. And you too. My governor, I gotta bounce, okay? I gotta bounce.
You said you want Yvonne and her parents rearrested and charged with character assassination. Is your father aware of this?
DPO, I'm the one whose image was murdered, okay?
I am saying this because your father has asked us to close the case, which we have done.
DPO, listen. If my father has decided to withdraw himself from the case, that's his decision, not mine, okay? Now, I will do that on one condition, that Yvonne and her parents publicly confess that they connived together to accuse me of rape and extort money from my father in my very self. And I will go and apologize too.
I am sorry, Terry. I can't do as you want, except your father says otherwise.
Listen. I am the one who was locked up when this rape case was reported, not my father. Okay? Not my father. Now, that means I am a full-blown adult responsible for my deeds. Now, if in 2 hours those arrests are not made, I will go to the court, get an injunction for you to do it by force. And don't forget, my father will fry you alive if any scandal arises in the process, huh? So you know. Be wise, huh? Be wise.
Mr. Lokwe. Mr. Lokwe. Sergeant Dixon. Is anything the matter? All of you are under arrest for conspiracy and assassination of character. You have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you at the court of law. Arrest him.
Hey! What is it?
Wait.
What is it?
Huh? Wait.
What have we done?
Let me go and dress up properly, as you can see. Come.
What did we do?
Stop crying, my dear. Stop crying.
Hey!
Come on, stop crying, my dear. Stop crying. See, you will grow up to be one of the greatest women of your generation.
Amen, Papa, but we have done nothing wrong.
Always be strong for me.
I
love you.
I love you too, Papa.
My dear, it's okay.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey! What did you do? Look at what you have done!
Take my dead body to Ogam Chief Chima and his son Terry. Let them eat it. Let them eat my flesh. Oh, forever. Remain cursed.
No! You put your hand me out! Hey! Give me! Ivana womo! Chima wugomo! Give don't leave me! Give her up and I don't be cold! Name of God, please, let us go so that we can go and bury our dead in peace, people.
Madam, that's not possible. Both of you have serious cases to answer.
What case? What case, officer? We are innocent. My father and brother have died over this same case. We are innocent. Please. Let us go and mourn them with dignity. Allow us bury our dead. We are innocent. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Young girl, sympathy is not the basis for doing our job as professional police officers. Inspector.
Sir.
Detain them.
God! Sir, please. How long? Please. How long are we going to suffer before you hear us here? How long?
What are you talking about, huh? I mean, what do you mean the case is too loose to be successfully prosecuted? What are you talking about?
Now listen to me, Terry.
the man that accused Yvonne is dead. He assaulted a police officer when he was to meet one-on-one with her and repeat the allegation. He was killed by a car as he was trying to escape in a stolen police uniform. Chief, what a mess to tell in court.
Wait, hold on. But he wrote a statement for you and your boys, didn't he?
Yes. Yes, he did. He wrote a statement. But if they argue that we conspired with you people and Alonso to lie against them and then killed Alonso in order to cover up the crime, Chief, even a dunce of a lawyer would get them an acquittal without much stress. And with the deaths in their families, they would have sympathy. And that is a big asset in court in a case like this. And don't forget the moral baggage that politicians, their children, and police officers carry in our country.
Okay, enough of all that sentimental, emotional talk now. Okay, DB, what do we do? What? Come on, talk!
Unless they confess to the crimes themselves. I would advise that we drop the case.
No. Listen. You will get them to confess. They must confess. If it means you torturing them, they must confess. Yes.
Lay a hand on them, Terry. And you have given them the case on a platter of gold. And by the way, that is why I'm here. They have refused to talk unless both of you are present.
Count me out.
Dad.
Count me out.
Dad. We have to go.
No.
We must go.
We're going.
Chief.
Sit down.
Chief Chima and Terry are here as you requested. Can you talk to us now?
Chief. Terry. Please. Look at my mother and I. Are you happy with what you're seeing? Are your minds at peace with the image of the women before you?
Now listen here. Confess your crime to the police and stop wasting everybody's time. You feel me?
And look at you, Terry. I look at the hands of you and your father, and all I see is that they are stained. Your hands are soaked and stained with the blood of my father and my brother. Yet you don't care. You do not want to stop oppressing us. Why?
Is that all?
Yes. We requested for your presence, not to talk to the police before you. We want to look you in the eye and ask you, do you still have conscience?
I'm out of here.
Please, sir, please.
Are you really serious? taking us back to that cell.
Sergeant, sir, take them back to the cell.
Today is your family's last day to do what I want or pay back $25,000. Now I don't give a damn what you tell the police to make it happen. All I want is my son in this house.
After everything you just did to me. What are you doing now?
Now listen, I'm ready to be your best. Right? For a while. But if you let anybody know, in case you are married,
let them eat it. Let them eat my flesh.
Hey! Please don't! Please don't! Help us! Come on! Come on! Pick on
keep a low profile. All of you. You understand? Wait for my instructions. You feel me?
I call upon you, O God of justice, God of vengeance, God of the poor and oppressed. If you're still alive and on your throne, curse this man. Curse this man and his family. Let them sow joy and reap tears.
It's so funny. Hey. Are you for real? For real? Dad, don't tell me you'll cry like a baby because of those idiots.
I am crying because of my failure to be a real man in that situation. How could I have stood by and watched you kill an innocent man, dance on his corpse the way you are doing now? Because of my fear. Hey.
Dad, come on, Dad. You see, the recent opinion polls gives you a wide lead. Just 3 weeks to the governorship elections. Now this case did you so much good. I mean, isn't that something you should be thanking me for, huh? Like for real?
Damn you. Damn the league. Damn the election. Damn me too. For being such a shameful failure.
Okay. Since we're both damned, you called me here for something. Have you changed your mind?
Son, Please. I'm on my knees. Stop that case. Let the women go. Please, son. Let the women go.
And I say no. Never. Not when I have successfully turned the table around on them. No.
Oh, son. The victory of evil over good can only but be temporary. Nobody wins forever. Stop it, please, before you destroy us. Please.
To see my very self and my humble father here to make a deal. Now, like you failed 2 days ago, I hope this is no ploy for you to toy with our emotions, because it's not going to work.
Nothing of such.
Then what? I mean, you've done nothing but stare at us and cry, crocodile tears. I mean, what's up with that?
Sir, my mother and I have agreed to publicly say that we conspired against your son, to set you up and to extort money from you. We want to say that in exchange for our freedom. Please, sir. Is that a deal?
BPO, Sergeant, give us space. Let's talk to these people.
Sergeant.
Sir. Okay. Dad, have you got anything to say before I proceed?
I will immediately call the press conference and let them do what she has said. And then at the same press conference, we shall announce the withdrawal of all charges against them. And then we will...
Dad, slow down, okay? Slow down. I have to make my demands first.
What demand?
Okay, here's what. I don't know how you're going to work it out, but I need you to force the DPO to transfer Yvonne from her cell to my personal bedroom, where I will have sex sex with her anytime I want.
Be over my dead body.
Listen, look here, dear. You escaped me last time, before I had your feel. You see, I want you, and I must get you. That's what's up. Still over your dead body? Okay, alright. When you change your sexual mind, holla, call me. I'm out. Deuces. Dad, I'm out of here.
God punish them. Terry, you have become such a devil that you are not afraid of anything.
Can I answer this call? Yeah, you're a good man. Good man. Thank you.
son. Hey, who dada? Wagwan, who dada? What? Hey, how possible? Huh?
How possible? They said they shot him 3 times, close range. How possible? How did he survive that? How?
What are you talking about?
Oh my God. Dad. Father, we're doomed. We are doomed. You see, one of the boys who does my dirty jobs is Alonso, Bekono's younger brother. Now, he has recorded evidence linking us with every crime that was committed against Yvonne and her family. Also the fact that, my boys stole the $25,000 from Charles.
Tell me you are pulling my leg.
No, I'm not. No. You see, he also said that all the evidence he brought before me, before I ordered my other boys to kill him, were fake. And now he's calling me from the police station saying that he's going to give them the real evidence and he's going to tell the police everything. I don't know how this happened. I mean, I thought these boys were loyal to me. Dad, seriously, I mean, what are we going to do now, Dad? What are we going to do? Dad, say something. Oh my God, I thought these boys were loyal. I mean, boys that I used to beat. My boys who do this to me. I mean, come on. Dad. God, Dad, come on! Oh, God. Dad, how could you do this? What's this now? How could you shoot yourself? What's this? Oh, man. Oh, man, come on. How could you just shoot yourself? What is this? What's this? Thought you were a tough cookie.
Yes. Me. There is no hiding place from the God of justice. The truth has prevailed.
She's right, Terry. Justice has won. And it may interest you to know that Dollar, Sola, Bobo, and Lola have all been arrested. Now it is your turn and that of your father. Where is your father?
Upstairs, he shot himself.
What? Arrest him.
to have sex with you, of course. Oh, you mean she did not explain everything to you? Don't worry, you will sort it out with her later. Okay, please don't be afraid. I have my condom. Okay? So, baby, let's get to the field of play. Ready?
If you dare lay your hands on me again, I swear I will bite off your nose, your mouth, and your ear. I swear. Jesus Christ. God forbid. Where are you going? It's my right, of course. What is your right?
What I'm talking about.
Get away from me. Jesus. Why? You slapped me? Yes. You lay your fingers from me. Jessica. I thought you said he was your maternal uncle. What is going on here?
Yvonne, calm down. Sorry I lied to you.
You lied to me?
Chief Joe here, he is not actually my maternal uncle. He's my friend. And Chief Alex likes you. He likes you a lot. Just go back and have your phone. He has already given me 50k for you. Go back.
Jessica, I am not a sex hawker. I am not a sex hawker. Please, I am not, for crying out loud.
It's not called sex hawking. It's called runs. What do you think all those big girls do to survive? Cut the moral crap and go back and enjoy yourself. Use what you have to get what you want.
Jessica, my bag is packed. Let us leave this place in the next 2 minutes, else I'll begin to shout. I'll begin to scream until everybody comes out.
You can't.
Let's go.
Yvonne, stop.
Ow! What are you doing in my bag?
Maybe you've suddenly gone blind. I've packed your miserable belongings for you in this room. So just carry your bag because my work of charity has ended. Take your bag and get out of my room.
Jessica, that's not fair. That's not fair.
And what is fair? Tell me what is fair? That I refuse to do a simple thing that every other girl does and made me look like a fool before those two big men that have already promised.
Jessica, you don't make promises of somebody's body. This is my body we're talking about, my dignity. Please, I can't do what other girls do because my life has a different vision.
Vision? Miss Visionary. That same thing you refuse to do is the same thing I do. To get the money I used to rent and furnish this room. This room that you are squatting. Anyway, like they say in the church, darkness and light have nothing in common. Maybe I'm the one that is a devil. Just go, Mary Mother will go. Pack your things, oh yeah.
Jessica, please, please. You and I have been friends for 3 years since I got into this campus. And I told you how my mother sold the plot of land we had to assist me to get into school. Please.
Yvonne, take your bag. Enough. Jessica, take your bag and leave my room. Yvonne, just get out of my house. So I should be doing for you. Get out! Get out!
You wanna die? You wanna die? I'm gonna have you fix that with my wrist right now. Come over here!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Come on, you wanna die?
Stop it! Stop it!
Just shut up!
Stop it! Are you this heartless? Huh?
Can't you see she's the one being heartless?
Why should my mama will cross the majority of the way she did? At least ask her why she did and show some sympathy.
Just shut up! I ain't cut up for this whole bullshit. The last time I checked, you said I should give you a lift to your house. So now tell me, are you still game?
Oh, please, so hell with your car.
Oh, you wanna play the Mother Teresa, huh? Alright, I'm out. Fuck you, Ingrid! Fuck you! Bullshit! You think I came for bullshit? Huh? Fuck you! I'm out! Mother Teresa on my ass!
My bag!
Now take the chip bag of kills out of my car!
please. Please. Don't be angry, eh? What? Why are you crossing the road so carelessly like that? With all these bags? Misfortune. Misfortune. I don't get. You will not understand. What? Your clothes is sold. See, my house is just down the road, eh? You look very tired. I think you need to rest. If you don't mind, just come with me so you can rest for a while. Please, don't say no. You said your mother is a poor widow, and that she's been selling your lands for the past 3 years to sustain her in school.
Yes. She has sold almost everything my father left behind. Asking her to sell more to enable me have an accommodation here in school would amount to us not having anything at all to bank on to pay my bills later on. That was why I decided to squat with Jessica. But she collected money from someone and insisted I go and sleep with him. I couldn't. She said that's what all the big girls do to survive. But I can't. My life has a different vision. That was when she threw me out. I was frustrated and tired. I was going back to the village when I mistakenly ran into your friend's vehicle.
We had something to eat.
No. Not hungry. I don't have the appetite.
Let me get your things from outside and take it to your room while I get you something ready to eat.
My room.
This is a 3-bedroom apartment, and I stay in it alone. It's now ours.
No,
Listen, I'm not like one of those big girls on campus that Jessica referred to. No, I'm not. My father is a senator. Unlike you, I believe in the dignity of the woman's body. It's not a commodity to be bought or sold. No. I'm very proud of you for preserving the sanctity of yours. I'm proud of you for preserving it despite everything you went through. So please, be my friend and my flatmate. Please. Just don't say no. Washing my clothes?
I saw them outside your bedroom heaped, so I said to wash them.
That is why I keep them for the laundryman. He is to be here later in the evening for them.
I just felt indebted to wash them for you.
Yvonne, listen, I am not superior to you. No. And I don't want you to feel indebted to me because of your stay in this house. We are friends and that settles it. Huh?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Since you have decided to do the washing at home, let's do it together then.
What are you doing?
Let's do it together.
No, that's my dress you're washing.
And this is mine in your hands. Let's wash it together. That's a joke, isn't it? The benefit of that is said. Okay. Oh. My dad's day is here in my car.
Your car?
Yes. I left it behind the last time I went home, so they could take it to the suppliers for routine maintenance.
Your own?
Let me get the gift for you.
Oh my
coming to the country.
I came in last night.
Oh my God, last night and no one told me. Mishak, even you.
Silence is orders. Look at you, yeah, I wanted to take you all by surprise and hope I succeeded.
Sure, you did. Oh my God, you look so cute.
Thank you, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
Your big brother here is now a geophysicist.
A geophysicist?
Yeah.
Oh my God, congratulations, big brother. Come. My big brother here is now the latest geophysicist in town. Congratulations.
Who is she?
Oh, silly me. Her name is Yvonne, a third-year student of accountancy. In fact, to share the same flat. Yvonne, my elder brother.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Let's go inside. Misha, thanks for the call.
Alright, Misha, come inside.
Come inside. Oh, nothing. Oh.
You guys had a wonderful time.
Yes, I did.
Are you sure?
The food was awesome.
Alright, okay, Funny me. I left my wallet in the car.
Oh, sorry.
You know what, I'll just excuse you
Oh,
ladies.
no. Let me get the money for you.
Of course not, don't worry, get it.
No, it's nothing. I'm sorry, I want to go and ease myself, so on my way back, I'll get the money from you.
You're comfortable with it?
Yes.
The pigeonhole.
Okay. Thank you. You need to show how to use the key.
Don't worry, she'll get it. You know, I wanted to take you guys to a more interesting place, but your friend.
What about her?
She's such a bad dresser. It's the way she was looking.
I plan changing her wardrobe for her.
When would you want to do that?
She's coming back.
Oh,
you're back.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm so tired. Get something that we can eat. Oh, I'm coming to join you. No, don't worry, I can prepare it alone. I'm fine. Yvonne, I'm not the boss here. I remember it's always fun doing things together with you. I honestly can do it alone. Yvonne, no! I'm coming to join you. Amanda! Yeah? Amanda! What's that? Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! I found it on my bed with a note.
I would have bought you more, but I was afraid I might not get your size right. Manage this once and the cash, and always feel free to talk to me or Amanda if you're in need of anything else henceforth. Know it's also that I am so proud of you, like my sister is. To have gone through what you went through of recent without compromising yourself is indeed an inspiration. Keep it up, Harold.
Harold. Always full of surprises. I think that he even had such plans in his mind and he never told me. You're not aware of this? No. I'm sorry, I can't accept that. Yvonne, don't be like this. Trust me, I would have done it on my own. It was just that I was a bit low on cash. You deserve more than this. Yes. But there's so much, how much? My goodness. Oh, you have to call him so I can say thank you. I mean, this is too much. I'll give you his number and you'll call him yourself. I told you I sold my phone last semester. Please, just go and let me say thank you and that's all. Look deeper into the bag. Which bag? Go ahead, this one. A phone? Mama, she honestly wanted to come with me to see you, but she couldn't come because she has a very important assignment that she had to submit.
Yeah.
But guess what?
Yvonne, Biko.
She
she asked me to give you this. Hey! This for me?
Yes, Mama.
This kind of money?
Hey! Mama, yes.
Hell. Hey! Yvonne, who did you say this girl is?
Mama, I told you, her name is Amanda.
God will bless her for me. Kneel down, let me pray for both of you.
What is it?
Give me your hand, let me pray so that no evil manipulation will cut short the joy and peace your friendship has brought to us.
Amen.
Give me your hand. Hell. Bye.
Oh, good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, my daughter.
Please, who are you?
My name is Mrs. Ilokwe. Hey, Yvonne! Hey! Mama!
My mother! Welcome, ma.
Oh, Mama. Hey, girl. Thank you, no.
Mama. I only left you 4 days ago. And here you are to come and see me. You didn't even tell me you were coming.
My daughter, I couldn't wait any longer. I thought I was missing my way.
You can't get missing, Mama.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Mama, what's with the foodstuffs?
They are the products from my farm. I know I owe someone gratitude here, so I came to pay. Is she the angel God sent to us?
Yes, Mama. This is Amanda.
Oh, Mom. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God will bless you
Mama,
for
please,
me.
No, Mama, please.
Thank you.
Mama, honestly, you didn't have to take the extra trouble of coming this far just to come and see me and bring these things. We have enough to eat here, Mama.
I know, but please accept these little ones from me.
Thank you, Mama.
Wait. I don't know how many children your parents have, but I want you to take Yvonne here as your own blood sister. Please don't forsake her. And I pray that God will never forsake you. God's blessings, His favor and His grace and His blessings will follow you all the days of your life in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Amanda, why are you crying? I lost my mom at infancy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. You can take me as your mother. Let me be a mother to you. Let me be a mother to you.
It's okay. Let's go inside.
Yvonne, let me carry
I was even about calling you. This lady says she's here for you.
For me?
Yes, I'm Detective Rose of the Nigerian police. You bought this particular gist for your mother yesterday, didn't you?
Yes. I bought a juice similar to this for my mother. What? Officer. Is my mother okay? Why? Where's my mother?
She wants to see you immediately.
Hey! Oh, calm down. Okay, is there a problem? Why? I don't understand.
We must leave immediately.
No. Okay, where's my mother? Oh, calm down.
If she's really your friend, advise her to come with me.
Hey, I'll go with you.
Let's go.
Please. Oh, calm down. Let's go. Calm down. Let's go.
Tears and sorrow, we are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering? Lord, where are you? God, where are you? You said you never abandon us, Lord.
Dad, you won't believe this. Immediately she was revived, the policewoman handcuffed her right before her mother's corpse, Dad. I pleaded with her to at least allow the heartbroken girl to see a doctor first, Dad. But no, she refused. She refused and took her away, Dad. I didn't know what to do. I had to take the next available flight down to Abuja just to see you, Dad. Dad, please help her.
Help her? In what manner?
Use your influence as a 7th senator to get the police to release her, Dad. And I know Yvonne couldn't have poisoned her own mother. She couldn't have.
Dad, I know this girl. She doesn't appear to me like one capable of such evil. I know her, Dad. Please.
Now let me even ask both of you one question. How long have you known this girl?
That's not the issue now.
Now listen. You people fail to realize the fact that you are children of a politician, a serving senator for that matter. And I have always warned you to stay clear of scandal. In this girl's case, I see nothing but a very dangerous scandal in the making. Listen, from now on, cut your relationship with her.
Dad, what if she's innocent?
What if she's not? How are we going to explain your closeness to her? How?
Yvonne needs her friends now. And Harold and I happen to be the only friends she has. And she needs us.
Now listen to me. Go back to school. Move all her things out of your flat. And don't have any relationship with her again.
Please, you have to help her, please.
This is an order. I will even make sure that Misha goes with you to the school to make sure you do not disobey my order. You follow my instruction to the last. Now listen, let me tell you, both of you, don't even try to disobey me, because you are going to have a very dangerous clash with me. You are going to have very serious clash with me. Have I made myself clear? Oh, Dad. Look. Dad.
Are you now ready to tell us the truth? Why did you poison the juice?
Officer, I swear. I think you're my mother. I didn't poison the juice. I only bought the juice and gave it to her. I said she was waiting for the village yesterday. That's all.
Was she there when you bought the juice?
No. I asked her to stay back.
Why? I mean, what was the distance between your flat and the shop you bought the juice?
It's like 2 minutes more. I told her not to go with me because she was complaining that her legs was paining her.
Even you're a liar. You told your mom to stay back so that you would have an ample chance to poison the juice before taking it to her. We found a tiny hole on the juice bag, and the lab boys confirmed it was made with a syringe, and yesterday too. They said the poison was injected into the juice with a syringe. Why did you do it?
Officer, I don't have any reason to poison my own mother. Why in God's name will I kill my own mother? Why?
You will tell us. Definitely.
You have a visitor.
Who is it?
You will soon see him.
Mr. Mishak.
Yes, I'm here. I brought your bags.
My bags?
Amanda gave them to me. She said I should tell you that you should consider your friendship and hers over. And her father said I should warn you. If you call his name or that of his children, in this case, he will personally kill you.
Oh. 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 Mr. Please. Does your phone have a camera?
No, I didn't come in here with my phone, but why would you ask?
Please take pictures of me. Please, I beg you.
That is not necessary.
Please. Help me, please.
I took 8 of them with my glasses. I had to transfer them to my phone for you to be able to see them. Take a look.
Jesus! You mean Yvonne is looking this traumatized?
Yes, she is. She said I should tell you. These are the pictures of the new her. An innocent girl crying out in grief for love, help and freedom. I should also tell you that you should remember what her mother told the both of you yesterday.
Yvonne told you that?
Yes, she did.
Please, transfer the pictures.
Remember what your father said, Amanda. Don't take any action on this if you really like the girl. You and I know very well that your father is not the kind of man that issues empty threats.
Amanda, how you came? Oh, Amanda, see what they are doing to me. See what they are doing to an innocent girl. I don't know anything. This is where they have kept me. This is where they have kept me. I'm innocent. I don't know anything.
10 minutes.
Thank you. It's okay, don't cry, please.
Did your father know you came here to see me?
I couldn't wait for his permission again when I showed Harold the pictures Michelle took
No.
of you.
He said to kill me if I come near you. No!
Yvonne, you're like a sister to us.
Yvonne, you're more than a sister to us, okay? We can't leave you here. We have conscience.
The case is complicated. I can't prove my innocence. How do I prove I didn't poison the juice I gave to my mother? How? I can't.
Did you poison it?
Mother. My mother was the only surviving member of my family. Why would I kill her? What would I gain by killing her? Why would I want her dead?
I believe you.
Look, Yvonne, it's okay, don't cry. We believe you didn't do it.
Thank you.
No matter what, no matter how, right? We'll get our father to intervene on your behalf. We'll get you out of here as soon as possible.
What if your father refuses to help?
All of us won't abandon you here. We won't.
Thank you so much. I just bought the juice. I gave her the juice.
Look, can you at least give us 5 minutes? Please.
I've given you 10 minutes before. It's 10 minutes.
It's just be strong.
How dare you disobey my orders? You even have the effrontery to ask me to come and join in your mess.
Daddy, please, it's not as if we deliberately disobeyed you.
Don't even utter any word again if you love yourselves. Now listen to me. I will not get involved. Neither will you get involved.
Hey, Daddy, please. Daddy, please listen
Shut
to
up
us,
your mouth.
please.
In short, this discussion is over.
Look, Dad, if you don't intervene and get Yvonne released immediately, we will stay in this house without food or water. As a matter of fact, this house will be on fire.
Yes, Dad. We'll die for you in this house.
No, hold on. Oh. Are you people daring me?
That our minds are made up.
Is that a threat? You are daring me?
That you will not eat or drink anything in this house. We'll die for you.
What is all this for?
Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God. Only you. God, where are you? Tears and sorrow, we are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord?
Harold and Amanda.
Where are you? God, where are you?
If Yvonne did not poison the juice, who did? Well, I take your remaining silent to mean that you don't know. Why then do you want to blackmail me into taking action? Why? In situations like this, what is required is common sense and not sentiment. What you have to do now is to go up, clean up, and find something to eat. I mean, if you think that by remaining like this, you force me into taking action, you force me into doing what you want me to do, you better think again. I will not do it. I am going to the National Assembly.
Dad, 6 years ago, in the heat of a general election that first took you to the Senate, a scandal rocked the politics of a neighboring state to ours. In it, a governorship. In it, the leading governorship candidate committed suicide. The scandal started when his son raped an innocent girl. Dad, that girl that was raped, that girl that was humiliated, battered, was Yvonne.
Poverty, wickedness and treachery cost her her father, her brother, and her dignity as a woman 6 years ago, Dad. Because she had no one to fight for her. Dad, don't you think her story should be different? And that she has come in contact with us. Isn't it?
You finally got her released.
Sit down. The case has been closed once and for all.
Oh my God, Daddy, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Honestly, Dad, I'm so proud to be your son today.
I'm proud of both of you. To be frank, what you have done for Yvonne, but exactly what your mother would have done for her if she were to be around.
Oh God, Daddy, thank you. I'm so happy. You're welcome. Thank you both so much. Your father told me everything. I'm honored. Thank you for risking your family peace for me. It's okay, God. You're welcome. Oh my God. Daddy, thank you. I'm so happy.
I thought that 3 weeks after your mother's burial, you'd have been dwelling less on the tragic losses and end this midnight crying sections. It's painful. Amanda, it's painful. They're all dead. All of them. I understand how you feel. I do. But believe me, darling, the best way to survive this is to accept the reality of it all. The deaths of your parents and Charles are all irreversible occurrences. Sad as it is, you must accept and live with it. Yes, you just have to accept and live with it. When I lost my twin sister 3 years ago, I felt the same way. I felt lonely, confused and deprived. But then again, I realized that in my pains, I was causing greater pains to those around me. I had to be strong for my father and Harold. I have no one to be strong for. They're all dead. All of them. I'm not dead, Yvonne. I'm not. You have my father and Harold. And you know we all love you. Thank you. Guys, I need you to be strong. Thank you. I'm just painful. Please follow me to my room. You? Yes. We'll be sleeping together henceforth, so you get full hold of your emotions. Please stop crying. Let's go.
Here we are, Yvonne. Your room.
My room? My room in your house?
In our house. Consider yourself one of us henceforth. Your education and general welfare are now my responsibility. Harold and Amanda asked for it, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing that I will deny them.
Welcome. Welcome, my dear sister. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
When you want to drive a car, you start by starting the car. I'll start with this. Like I said, the car is on now. So before anything, you check here. This place is a park. The P is a park. The R is reverse. This one is neutral, and the D is drive. So before you place it on drive, you step your feet on the bigger one. That one is the brake.
This one?
Yeah, no, this one, yeah, that one. Yes, that one. Good. And now gradually hold this place.
Yeah. No, press it. Like, good. No.
Okay.
Yup. Hold your steering. No! Like, hold it. Yeah, it's your car. And then you release your leg a little.
Little?
Yeah, little. Then move. Whoa! Do you want to get us killed? Please. Gently. You really... Hold on. You release your leg gently.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go again.
Mr. Meshach, you can't put that bag in there. Put it inside Amanda's car. We're going to school together.
I know. I was asked to put yours in this car and hers in the other car.
You don't understand. That is my bag. And we're going to school together, so I can have my bag in her car.
I'm just doing what I was asked to do.
I don't think you heard correctly.
Of course, we heard correctly. Amanda told us that today is your birthday. So we have all decided to give you this birthday present. Happy birthday. Congratulations, my dear.
It's for real, Yvonne. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Yvonne. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's mine.
For real, it's yours.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh, no.
Did you marry me, Yvonne?
Oh, we are waiting for an answer.
Exactly.
Please don't say no, please. I beg you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, but I love you. I love you so much.
Bitch. Because of you, I lost everything. My father died and I went to jail. Now you're about having everything.
Love, wealth, power, and fame. No way, bitch. No freaking way.
Why did you call me to meet you urgently? Is everything okay? Once again, thanks for coming. My conscience has really been breaking me seriously. I don't understand you. What is it?
What don't you understand? God have mercy!
You?
Thought I was going to rot in jail. No, darling. You see, my father left me with so much wealth, even in death. And trust me, he still maintained the loyalty of most of his friends in high places.
I don't understand. What the hell is going on here? What's going on?
I want to report to the police that you gave me the sum of 200,000 naira to help you poison your mother.
It was you? It was you who killed my mother! You!
Hey, stop it! Stop it!
It was you who killed my mother! Get away from me!
Hey, will you stop it? I have recorded evidence showing that you paid her 200,000 naira to poison your mother. Yes. And I have another evidence of her actually poisoning the juice you gave your mother. Now, if you allow her to go to the police like she's threatening, both of you will be guests of the executioner's chamber.
What is it you want?
Now you cancel that stupid wedding with Harold and be my mistress forever. Mess with me and I'll ruin you. If you think I'm bluffing. Watch that video disc. Try me.
She left the bedroom to this place ever since we retired for the night. She's been crying. We have done everything possible, but she's not talking to me. I don't know what we're going to do. She's suffering. Please, help me talk to her.
Does the love and care we show to you in this family mean anything to you? Do you have respect for Harold's feelings? at all. Carry the memories of your late family members. If you really do it, you'll try these things and go back to bed with her.
Let's go. Wait.
What?
Let's bring Dad into this. She needs to open up before it gets too late.
Harold, one thing at a time. Please.
It's Yvonne. Terry, it's Yvonne. I've agreed to do what you want me to do. But first, we have to meet and discuss details. Alright. I'll meet you at any hotel room that's close to my school tomorrow afternoon. Any hotel room that's close to my school of your choice. I'll wait for your call then. I will break up my engagement with Harold and be your mistress as you instruct. But first, Terry, you have to tell me everything. You have to tell me the truth. The whole truth.
What truth?
How much did you pay Elena to poison the juice I bought from her for my mother?
Doesn't matter. I mean, how important is that to this conversation?
It is important to me. I want to know. I know I'm innocent. I just want to know.
Okay. I paid 300,000 naira. Yes, 300,000 naira. That's what I paid to end your mother's miserable life. I mean, that's too much money anyways for your mother's miserable wretched life.
No, it's not. No, it is not. And yet you're blackmailing her to lay all this on me? What is it? What is it about me, Terry? What is it? Why won't you just let me be?
Let me tell you. I told you 6 years ago at the police station. I haven't had a feel of you yet, so it's all about sex. Yes. S-E-X, sex. That's what's up.
Sex? You don't care how I feel? You don't care if I lose everything I have provided you have your way?
Look, you know emotional games don't work with me, huh? You of all people know that doesn't work with me. You know that?
I know.
Good.
God will judge you, Terry. God will judge you.
But first of all, let's do this, okay? Let's get on the bed and do this. Come on.
No. I must first break up my engagement with Harold.
What, does that matter?
Yes. Unlike you, I am not a cheat.
Okay. I'll give you 1 week. Huh? 1 week. And then we'll do this. You and I will do this, okay?
Deal.
Deal.
This means that the police will soon be here. You will be arrested. Everything you said has been recorded on my phone. I told you. God will judge you.
So the game is up, huh?
Mr. Terry, the time is up.
Alright, but yeah, I know the game is up, but terms. Now get down.
What are you doing?
I said get out!
Terry, please, can you tell us why you're doing this? Huh? Please.
Please.
That's a very silly question, boy.
Terry, if you're going to kill us, then kill us. Why tie us up like animals? Hurry, please.
Well, I'm wedding you in death. Yes. You should be appreciating me for that. Shouldn't you? Huh?
Please.
Please. Terry.
Please.
What? I thought you were acting all macho some minutes ago. Huh? You were all tough some hours ago, right? Well, you know, shut up! You know what? Say your last prayers, alright? Because the fishes in there are going to have a good feast on you too. Goodbye.
No! Please, I beg you!
Hey! Get back there. If you try it, you are dead.
Sorry, thank you. Ow! Oh! I'm good.
You have Bobby punish you.
Tears and sorrow, we are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain?